Logan from Struts back here, and we got some hatch struts for the RX7 since these are about shot, leaking the fluid. Is it the same length? Yeah. Should work. All right. Yeah, you got a little soaked, didn't it? Yeah, it's not connected at all. Huh. Does that have a sensor, I wonder, or like?
Yep, that's got a fuse.
I wonder what that did. It's like maybe like a hatch open sensor type.
Did it have some kind of?
Like I didn't see one, but I don't know if it had like a, you know, it has the door open. I mean, it tells you when you set on the brake pedal, so it makes, I wouldn't be that surprised if it told you about the hatch being open. There, you need me to hold it, or will I just go?
It's a different size. As far as the.
Uh-oh.
You have the bolt in here.
Yeah. Second. Alright. You got the strut on. You just gotta tighten it. Alright, got the intake hose. The bolts off of it. Gotta get it off yet again. There's no good way to grab this with one hand. There we go. Alright, so now you can see the throttle. It's got 3 of them in here. Let's see here. Seems to be back here. Alright, so it's the day after we put the strut on, because we were going to put both on, but it's working fine with just this one. The right side was the only side leaking, and this one seems to be doing just fine. But yeah, we're gonna, well, not we, I'm going, because I'm the only one here today. Dad's got work. I'm gonna try and get this intake piping off, and also get the throttle body off, because the plate we're gonna need to clean is in the back, and try and clean it off, and hopefully it'll stop sticking so we can get Nacho back on the road. two bottom bolts. And I'll take this off, this elbow. Now with the extension we can actually get on here. Alright, we got this coolant hose off. You can see the other end right there. Now we just gotta keep going and get the rest of the stuff off the top of this to get ready to take it off. Another piece off. I'll put these bolts back to their original spot. Just so I know where they came from. Just honestly for me, putting them in their bolt hole is the easiest for me to remember. Just put them back in the little home and just kind of hand tight. Alright, got the throttle cable off, and now all that's left is take this last bolt off and get the throttle body off. Alright, we got the throttle body off now. See these throttle plates, which you can see they're kind of gummed up. Which the main throttle body's down here. Sorry, it's hard one-hand operation this. Grease her all up and see. See how it does. Got it on for right now, so just have to put it with the same finish. So I'm gonna put some grease on it and put it back on. Installed all that stuff, and now the idle's a good bit steadier. See the needle's barely moving, but idling high, but it's still warming up. We'll see if it dips back down to 180. But alright, the idle's not dropping, so I might have to mess with the screw. Be a little bit of a rev.